Alright everyone, Anthony and Danny here. We're about to give Larry her cat, which is underneath stuff. Larry, we're about to give him a bath, so he's playing with something over there.
Hey, your fat ass.
So it's currently December 23rd. What are you guys doing today?
Yeah, I can't. I don't know what I'm gonna do, to be honest. Yeah, I'll show you guys how I give him a bath. It's not a difficult task, but
Yeah.
still has
Yeah, so what are you guys doing today? How you guys been? It's been a few days since we haven't did any uploads, but I don't know. Do you guys have any cats or dogs? If so, does your cat like baths? Our cat definitely doesn't like it.
Yeah, I think it has some stuff dirty.
Yeah, this cat's very, dirty.
Oh, it's not like before, it's just a tail thing.
Yeah. Yeah, and if you guys see this, it's because I'm in Brazil, so the sinks outside is a little bit different, but I'll be going back home in a few months.
Yeah, I like putting water here and then
Yeah.
just keep him more calm. Like that much, but
Yeah.
yeah, I use shampoo for sensitive skin. That's good, smells good. Larry. Yeah, he probably gonna fight.
Yeah, it'll make good content.
Very good, Larry. Very good. Oh, the only thing annoying is because he gets dirty very fast. So I don't know if you guys have cats today, especially Persian cats. I don't know if you guys heard about it, but my experience with Persian cats, they get dirty very fast. They don't clean themselves. I don't know. I don't know if it's all of them or it's just my cat. Calm me down, baby Larry.
You just get a big look up in his face.
He's moody.
Larry, say hi. Oh man.
That's
Yeah.
weird. I probably have a lot of hairs here. That's why it's not going down. Yep. Yeah, we should have some stuff. Yeah, Larry. Yes. I don't know, I try to do it faster, but I need to wash it sometimes.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells good. Yeah, 'cause if you don't clean that good, even put some soap,
Yeah.
they smell weird.
Uh-oh. Oh, he's escaping.
Larry, o que foi, filho? O que foi? Você tá assim? What's wrong, Larry?
Oh, do you guys have any tips of how you guys wash your cats? Yeah, maybe you guys can put in the comments of what you guys do.
Yeah. Calm me down, Larry. It's not weird, man. Yeah, there's all. Yeah.
And also, like and subscribe to us and, favorite. is always appreciated.
Yep. His face is, I think the most difficult part is his face, man. He gets very annoyed. Yeah, you have that stuff in his skin. I don't know what is that. That leg stuff. Hey, if you don't.
I don't know. Oh.
Come in. I don't like when he does that, Enzo. Going to my face. Hey, come again.
Oh, look at this! Look at this cat, nice and pretty. Yeah, right. Looks like a rat.
Look, he doesn't look.
Looks like he's trying to dance a little bit.
Oh, looks like he's moving. He's not meowing.
Yeah.
Crazy. I'll try to get faster. Coming down.
Oh.
Okay, you can breathe. It's being fine. It just don't get.
Yeah, for all you don't know, he's a Persian cat, so.
Look at his eyes like that. Right. I don't know what time I've been with Larry, maybe 2-3 years? Oh, he's meowing, he's already bothering him. I know Larry, it's being annoying, but still.
What type of content would you guys like to see from us? Any suggestions would be good.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is our channel, but you guys are the viewers, and we'd like to know what you guys would like to see. And then, if we can do it.
Having sure you got to stay clean. Okay, Larry, it's the last time.
Also YouTube, I think after you get like 1,000 views, whatever, maybe a couple thousand views, you get a decent amount of money. Like some people that we watch, they get like 3,000 to 4,000 views, and then after like 30 days, they get like maybe $2,000 or $1,000. We've been seeing a couple people do that. So it's not hard. You just gotta pass the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and after you do that, you'll be monetized, and then you gotta watch for copyright stuff. But after that, you'll be good.
Oh, you can record the end sometime.
Yeah, no, that's alright.
Okay.
Oh, he's done good for the camera. Very good.
Oh my god. You scratched me, Larry. Don't do that, man. Hurts.
Yeah, you're talking for the camera. It's good.
You know what I'm saying? I don't like this.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm finishing. Just be patient, okay? Okay, it's alright.
water?
He was very dirty. What do you expect? It's already done. Almost. Are you eating there? It's this. I think it's rubber.
Alright, he's finally done now. He's just, you know, standing there. He got mad.
Yeah.
Yeah, here's me. Look like crap, but whatever. I don't care. You can see the lights back there, and you know the garland, and you can see clothing hanging. 'Cause that's that's what they usually do here in Brazil.
Yeah, they're gonna use this spray.
Yeah, I gotta. Here.
I use this spray. It's like a perfume for cats and dogs. So.
Yeah.
This is,
So, just sprays the cat.
and it
Makes them
smells-
smell good and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, that's just the update for Larry. Larry's the name. I'm gonna let you guys go. We'll probably upload tomorrow on Christmas Eve. Hope you guys have a good day, and until next time, I'll talk to you guys then. So you wanna say anything?
Yes. See you guys.
All right, bye guys.